Facebook, how to add admin to business page. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add an administrator to a business page on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add an admin to a business page on Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Facebook app. Tap the three lines option first and make sure to switch to the page on which you want to add an admin, so make sure to switch to that page first. Once you do that, tap the three lines option again, and this time tap the gear icon, which is the settings cog icon. From here you want to simply go to page settings. From page settings, go to the new pages experience tab and select the option called page access. From here, to add a new member, tap the add new option from the top of the screen here, and then tap the next option, and then simply search for that person's name or profile or whatever else you prefer here. After you've done that, you should be able to add them as an admin depending upon whatever access you want to give this person. This way you should be able to add new admin to Facebook business page. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.